Nice day today. I showed you guys already. I'm just going to show you again real quick. Got the Livernois coated intake installed. I like it because it takes out this little piece that's right here. You take that out and it allows air to travel in there. You also get air from down below like you're supposed to. I can't. That's the thing. It was a bit of a snug fit. Had to change this tubing, they said, because it wasn't flexible. It wasn't sitting flush. Still not sitting flush, but it's okay. You know, these things aren't going to be 100% perfect. But yeah. This connects to here. You take this piece off. It's in. Eibach special edition lowering springs. Before I was able to fit my fist in here. Now I can only fit like 3 fingers. Before it was wide open. Now we got 3 fingers. The front is pretty low. 2 fingers. Get this rock out of here. Yeah, the Eibach springs are pretty. Eibach springs looking good. I was hesitant. I wasn't going to keep them. I was going to return them. I'm glad I didn't. They're going to settle. After they settle, after about a couple 100 miles, I'll go get an alignment. Got the Borla Atak. Give you guys a cold start real quick. Borla Atak full catback exhaust. Got the dual carbon fiber tips. These are sold separately. Came out nice and even. Cold start. Doing this live, I done fucked up. I had the accessory on. Gotta turn it off. Start it again. Cold start. Loud, man. That's the way it's supposed to be. The way it was supposed to be. Open the panel. Shout out to the custom shop. It's called The THE Custom CUSTOM Shop SHOP. Out here in Astoria, Queens, New York City. Head in the custom shop, ask for Brett, great guy, great place, great prices, great service, and they know what the hell they're doing. They're not some, you know, guys that don't know what the hell they're doing. pressure of wine is serious now. Whew. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I'm gonna add some clips of him test driving it to the end of this video. Woo-wee. Let's do a quick pull real quick when we get this green light. So for the installation of the lowering springs, exhaust, and the intake, they charged me $700. Mean. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna do a review on the springs after I drive it for a few hundred miles, let y'all know how it feels. So far, everything seems to be good. Steering wheel's good. It's not pulling to the left or to the right. The ride feels like stock. It doesn't feel firmer or harsher, but we'll see as the springs settle. And I'll go get an alignment after a couple hundred miles as well. And I'll hit you guys up there. Oh, there's an SRT in front of me, a fellow white SRT in front of this BMW up there. SRT. Come on. Move out the way. And of course, you know what I'm about to do. Go get some gas. Because that's what these things do. Guzzle motherfucking gas. Anybody gonna let me in? Of course not. It's feeding time, as usual. Alright, y'all, enjoy the video clips that I'm about to bless you guys with. And y'all enjoy this weekend. The Eibach Special Edition Springs. Lowood, she's dirty. Eibach Special Edition Springs. Livernois cold air intake. Let's take this boat out, put it in there. Let's see. And Borla Atak. All done at the custom shop in Astoria, Queens, New York. springs, cold air intake, exhaust. That's all you need on a Trackhawk. Crazy. He said, yo, what should I get?
Like, you can't even see when it goes in launch control. You're like, I can't even see anything. Dude. Like, my eyes went to like the back of my head, dude. Like, it breaks traction, dude.
Yeah.
It's insane.
You'll spin all four wheels. Sick. I did it once.
Sick, right?
You can hit it again. Yeah. Yeah.
Got a lot of power.
Borla Atak.